Hello, my name is Raed Hanoun. I have 15 years of experience in the finance industry, commercial banking and investment banking. Basically, I joined the commercial bank in 2008. I joined the financial control department as an employee at that time. I thought about a certificate that might explore my skills, knowledge, competencies in the finance industry, and I found out at that time that the CFA it really matches the requirement of the workplace. Its curriculum includes the topics that are basically related to the finance industry. So I started my candidacy as a CFA Level 1 candidate in 2010, and I finished the CFA Level 1 in 2011. At that time, and once I passed the CFA Level 1, I was able to take the position of the head of financial control department. And then I pursued my candidacy as CFA Level 2 and Level 3 candidate until 2014, until I finished all the CFA Level 3 requirements. I passed the CFA Level 3, and at that time I was able to join the investment arm of the commercial bank as a finance manager. Basically, CFA added value to my expertise, to my competencies, and it was able to give me a lot of opportunities, starting with the investment arm that I was able to join in the bank, teaching at Morgan International as CFA instructor, teaching at universities, and once I took my charter holder, I was able to join the World Bank as a finance and budget senior specialist. The importance of the CFA curriculum, it really matches the employer's requirement. It includes basically 9 topics. All those 9 topics, they are related to the current finance industry, current needs of the workplace. If I want to talk about, for example, the financial statement analysis as a topic included in the CFA curriculum, it's very important because if I would like to make a valuation for a certain company, I would like to make an investment in a certain company, or even I would like to give a loan for a certain entity, I would like to have a clear idea about the financial position of that firm and whether this firm is able, for example, to pay back the principal amount borrowed, it has the capacity to pay back the interest in terms of loans, or it has the ability to pay dividends or to make profits that basically gives us a certain incentive to invest in that company. Financial statement analysis gives us the tools, the competencies needed in order to have a full overview of the company's financials and to have a clear idea whether this investment is a hot investment or not. Another example for the CFA and how it really includes topics, the materials that are related to the industry, to the finance industry, to the workplace. Economics, for example. We know that whenever we are operating a certain firm or performing a certain task, this firm's operation, the profitability of the firm will be affected by the economic conditions of the country at which it's operating. So it's very important for us as investors, financial analysts, decision takers, to have an idea about the economy at which this firm is operating. So the economics part in the CFA curriculum basically give us a clear idea about how we can measure the economic activities, how we can measure the economic growth, how can we tell what might be the expectation about the economic activities in the future in order to tell whether this business, this investment will be doing good or bad. So basically, if I combine the financial statement analysis, which is the company analysis, with the economic analysis, which is the country analysis, I will be able to tell whether this investment is a good investment or not. I would like to tell whether this investment merits a certain loan or not. So basically, those are 2 examples of the CFA curriculum topics that are related to the workplace.